Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to be participating in the Spring 2018 $5 Goodwill Challenge. Please check out the link in the description box down below so that you can watch other videos in this challenge. The challenge is being sponsored by Old World Home, so please check out her channel as well. So now let's get going. Here are the items I'm going to be using for this $5 challenge. My Goodwill items that I purchased are these bud vases. As you can see, they were 99 cents a piece. So I got 2 of them. And then I'm going to use this bag of speckled jelly beans. These were 2 for $5 at Target, so this bag was $2.50. So I'm up to about $2.50, $3.50, $4.50. I'm going to use some scissors I had to cut some ribbon I already had. Kind of a burlappy color. And then these picks I had. I purchased these for 10 cents a piece at Christmas at Target, after Christmas actually, and they were on like 90% discount, so I got them for 10 cents a piece, so I have 4 of them, so that was 40 cents. So if you don't count the ribbon that I already had and the scissors, and because I've used those for other things, I had $2.50, $3.50, $4.50, $4.90 approximately. So I'm just under my $5, but there was tax on the 2 little vases. So I'm right around $4 with the tax on the vases and these little picks. So let's get started on the assembly. So the first thing I did was remove the labels from the bud vases and then washed and dried them thoroughly. The next thing I'm going to be doing is taking the bag of jelly beans, which I've already opened, and pouring a few jelly beans into the bottom of the vase. It's about the halfway point. Okay. Now I'm going to take my picks and straighten out these. Oh, that was good. Don't drop your little pom-pom thing into the container. Straighten out the picks so that then I can arrange them later. And I'm going to use 2 for each one. Now this one I didn't quite put enough jelly beans in, but this one looks like I've got enough in here for now. So I'm going to sort of crisscross the stems in the beans and then spread my little pom-poms out, and I want to put them going opposite directions so I'll have some variety of how the little pom-poms are sticking into the arrangement. And then I can take my jelly beans and start putting them in around those stems to help hold them into place a little better. Okay, so after I poured the jelly beans in, I decided that for my purposes, I actually wanted to have all green jelly beans. I thought the different colors would be a little too distracting. So I went ahead and separated out all of the green jelly beans, and I've put them into the vase, as you can see, with the pom-poms in the top. And then I'm going to take a length of that ribbon I showed you earlier. I'd say this is about 18 inches. And I'm going to wrap it around the waist of this vase because it has a little bit of an indentation. You could also wrap it around the stem of the vase, but I think this stem is not quite high enough and I want to be able to see the bow. So I know it's a little hard to view from the angle I have, but I'll show it to you when I'm done tying the bow. And straighten the ribbon out a little bit. Oops, even. Okay, so there you go. I have the bow tie, and I already have snipped these at an angle, but I think I'm going to cut them a little bit shorter because they're dragging on the counter. So I'm just going to cut them off about an inch shorter than I have them right now. So now there we go. And I already made the other one. I just need to shorten its tails of the bow too. There we go. And I'll show you from a different angle also. Okay, so here's a different angle of the little arrangements that I made. You can see the bow and the jelly beans and then the green pom-poms. The jelly beans are coming out a lot more blue on camera than they are in real life. I'm not sure why that is. They definitely look more turquoise here, but they are a green that is very similar to the green on the mossy pom-pom puffs. So they match pretty well, and I think they'll be good for St. Patrick's Day and then carrying into Easter as well. Thank you for joining me here today at Creative Homescaping for this $5 Goodwill challenge. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so that you can see more videos like this that I'll post in the future. And also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thanks again. Bye-bye.